In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate and get links to products on DHgate. So you can generate links to specific products. Then if people click on your links and buy, you will earn a commission. So let's start from the very start. So what you first need to do is go to the DHgate affiliate program and sign up for an account on this program. Now, I've already created a video showing you that, which I'll leave in the description. You can go and check that out. But once you've created your account, you want to then enter the workplace, and that will take you to the DHgate dashboard. From here, you can go to products and then all products. And here you can search for a keyword. So let's say we want to search for headphones. We can then click enter. It's then going to show us all of these different headphones that we can promote. Now here it says the price, and it's going to say the commission that you're going to earn. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see different price points, different commission rates. Like this one is a $20 product, but you only earn 80 cents. So they're all going to have different commission rates. Now, you want to find one with good commission rates, which you're happy to promote. So I'm going to promote this one here, the AirPod Max earphones accessories, $90. We're going to get a $7 commission. So once you've found your product, you can click on it. And if you open it in a new tab, it will take you to the actual product page. But if you just want to generate the link, click get link. Then choose your media source, then your tracking link here. If you want to create a new source and track where all of the clicks come from, you can do. Then click on short link, click generate, and that's going to generate a short link here. So copy the link. You can then give this link to people who want to buy, put it in your social media profiles, and when they click on it, it will take them to the product page like this. And if they buy, you will earn a commission.